Good morning, this is Miss Usan, and I am here with Chicky. Chicky is one of my dearest plush babies, and he lives here at home with me. I have thought about taking him to school, but I don't know, you guys. But Chicky is pretty cool. Let me tell you the story about Chicky really quick. So before I worked at Hoover, I was working at a charter school, and I had two groups of kids that I would see for ELA and then social studies, and they would just trade back and forth all day. So just do classes. So we were very close. Um, but when my daughter told me there was an opening at Hoover, I decided to look into it, and I realized Hoover was really the place for me. It was everything I kind of wanted in a school, and I can see myself being at Hoover for a very long time. So I switched on February 1st. I left mid-year and I took a job here at Hoover. And then I missed my kids. And then we had our first break. So what we did was we met up at Eastridge Mall and we hung out and we played games and we walked around the mall together. Um, and it was during that trip that a couple of those students put their money together and they bought me Chicky. So I love Chicky very much because, as you guys know, I love my students very much. So, yeah, this is Chicky. I'll try to see if he can make it to all of our videos from now on. Talking about our video, let's get to work. Not really, but kind of, right? So I wanted to show you guys today's check-in form for anybody who's interested in having a conversation and connecting with your classmates and, like keeping your brain occupied on, I think, some pretty cool stuff. Remember, I'm not giving you guys the long, boring articles, although this article is kind of long, but I promise it's not boring. But it's to kind of keep you engaged in what's going on and keep you thinking about some really important things. So here is our check-in document. The first thing is, just show and tell. We have been spending some time at home, and some of you guys are just so creative, just generally, that I'm wondering, like, what are you actually creating in this time at home, and how cool is it? So I created a little chart up here. You can upload an image if you would like. You don't have to. If you don't want to upload an image, you can just write in a box. It's up to you and your comfort level how you want to participate today. But this is a picture of a necklace I have been working on, and then I wrote a quick description here. So I actually bought these letter beads in Santa Cruz on a trip one time. I have been so excited about making something with them. I just have not had the time. So I found them while I was cleaning out my bead area and I put it together. And I really want to wear this to work. I am thinking about adding some toy soldiers to the ends. So, maybe. Um, Second thing is sharing a link of something cool that you are enjoying. And then here's the next cool part. I really want to see if you guys once a couple people added some things, come back, check out this spot, and click on some of the links. Remember to keep them school appropriate. But click on some of the links and review it. Tell us what you think about it, right? So the one I'm going to share right before school got out, I went to a concert at the Art Boutique, and it was for this band called The Leak. And they are a band from Las Vegas, and maybe within their second song, I was like, I have got to buy this album. Like, it was just such a really cool album. And then they played this one song. I'm gonna link that one too, don't worry. But after they played that one, I'm like, nope, I need it. I need it now. I need their first album, second album, all the albums, everything. So I did. I bought them. But I want to share them with you guys because part of why I love this group is the messages, man. Like this guy, the rapping is cool, but like the messages they share. Listen.
Peace. I am joy that can never be destroyed. I am love. I am peace. I am joy. We came here to fill the void. I am love. I am peace. I am joy that can never be destroyed. I am love. I am peace. I am joy. We came here to fill the void. I am love. I am peace. I am joy that can never be destroyed. I am love. I am peace. Peace. Yeah. I wanna see more joy, love, peace, and unity. A cloud showered over my head, but I'm musically inclined to find a bit of beauty.
I mean, right? I am love, I am joy, I am peace, and that cannot be destroyed. I mean, you guys, this is this is a great song. He starts rapping. It's really cool. Check it out. There's one more, and this way I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and make sure you have the link. So this one is the leak, and it is Batman. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the YouTube link, and so Control C for copy, right? I'm going to go into my document, and I'm going to go to, oops, where did I do it? Oh, I made everything super giant, and now I can't see where anything is. Let's zoom out a little, reset. There we go. Where's my toolbar? Okay. So after I copy the link, I'm going to go to File. Nope. Insert. Insert, link. I'm going to paste that here, Control V. But then for the text, this is the part that you get to see that comes up in the blue. So I'm going to write the name of the song. Oops, spell it right. The Leak. And this is the song that I was listening to that I was like, absolutely, I need to buy their album. It's called Batman. And if you haven't realized, I do really love Batman. So this one's just fun. Let me go ahead and play like the first 5 seconds or a little bit more because I love this one. Here we go.
Ah, yes. From the dark night arises a brand new day. As society decays, we find new ways to mask who we truly are. Isn't it bizarre? We shun our heroes up close, but we love them from afar. Only one can do the deed in this prison of greed, a system designed to make innocence bleed.
Batman, Batman, Batman.
I am the dark night.
You can sing along, it's so easy. Batman, Batman, Batman.
Why be Bruce when you could be the bat? We all want.
Okay, that is enough of that. So you put it there, super cool. Only positive comments about the leak on this document allowed. Okay? Very serious about that one. Okay, and then the last thing I want to show you guys is our final check-in, which is, the actual reading assignment because I am your ELA teacher and I care about you reading because it's important for your brain and your development and your speech and your abilities to think because, that's how we get our ideas and we flow them around. So, what are we reading today? Today I have an article that I borrowed from BuzzFeed. I put it in a Google Doc because I'm going to make that editable as well so that you can, annotate and see how other people are reacting to the text because, I don't know, I think that's so much fun. So, here's the article. It is an article titled 12 teens on being stuck at home because of the coronavirus. I super linked the actual article here. So if you, wanted to see everything in like the big screen and, the pictures of the kids and all of that a little bit larger, here is the article while it loads. Definitely images a lot larger. Oh, these two are really cool to read, but I would definitely recommend click on the link because then the picture is a lot bigger. But the article is right over here. Um, and it talks to 12 different teenagers across the entire country, right? So we've got Baltimore, Maryland. This kid actually put pictures of his journal. I thought that was pretty cool. It's a variety of teens, so some of them are about your age and some of them are a little bit older. So it's interesting to see how maybe a 14 and 12-year-old are thinking about the pandemic a little bit differently than an 18-year-old who might be getting ready for college, right? Seattle, not too far, Tennessee, New Jersey, Los Angeles, pretty close to home. Idaho, close to my home, kind of. Hawaii, Maine, Mexico, Michigan, actually very close to my home, that last one, Michigan. So, yeah, they're talking about how they're coping. They're talking about how their life has changed. They're talking about what's gone well and what hasn't. A lot of them are talking about social media, right? And kind of like the uncertainty. Some of them are making some really cool comments on life now and what that means like in general for the whole world, right? So kind of want you guys to see like what do you have in common with these people, what do you, not so surprised by maybe. um and so like, and to think it all started because for once in my life, I decided to interact with other people during a time when I was supposed to be self quarantined. Uh oh, so this kid's interacting. I can only hope that I'll be able to cook and bake with my mom for years to come. Oh, okay. So this person has like started a kind of new hobby. I love this. I think I will start to include my daughter in lunch slash dinner making to teach her these skills. Is anyone else doing this? Because I don't know about you guys, but I didn't learn a lot of traditional recipes kind of growing up, and I definitely have not totally taught them all to my daughter. So that one's interesting. So you can either annotate the text here and leave comments that other people can respond to. One more time, kind of how to do that. All you got to do is highlight and hit this little comment button. If you don't see the comment pop up there, then you can highlight and then go up here to the same comment button. Or you can just write your reactions here, kind of pose any questions that you have here, and people can respond. So that's it for today. Sorry, it's on the longer side again. I don't like making these more than 10 minutes. That's weird. It's too much talking time. But listen to the leak. They are pretty cool. By far, our favorite songs right now, I am Batman. There's one called Billy's Holiday, which is a little bit more jazzy, but it's really cool. And if you're into a little bit more rapping, they rap with a message. So check out Mana, Democracy Now. Crash as in Crash. Crash. Instead of democracy, Democracy Now. And that's a pun, which we will learn when we get to our comedy unit, when we get back to school, whenever that is. So, in the meantime, from my birds and Chicky and I, goodbye. Stay safe. Check in just so I know that you're safe. If you have at least, seen the stuff, if you don't want to write out there to everybody, that's okay. Some students have emailed me or added a private comment on Google Classroom, so you don't have to interact with the whole document if that's a lot. But you can send me a private comment or you can send me an email because I would love to hear from you and make sure you're okay. Out of 100 and 35-ish students I've checked in with or have talked to, maybe a good 20. So there's a lot of you. I don't know how you're doing. Miss you. Check in. Have if you are seeing this, do me a favor, help me out and text like 3 other people. Even if you text one other person and say, hey, have you checked in with Miss Usan yet? Love you guys. Take care. See you soon. Chicky says goodbye too.